How to adjust camera filter and film grain effect on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Now in here, swipe across, and then you want to tap on the filter button. Next, at the top here, you want to swipe across and tap on film grain. Then in here, you can drag it to the left to decrease the film grain, or you can increase it by dragging the slider bar to the right hand side. And here you can see that will increase the film grain if I adjust it to the right or to the left. And that's it. Now after, you can take a shot. And here you can see in my pictures there are grains, more noise added to the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.